Here we have a 2021 Honda CR-V. This one comes in the LX trim level. This color is that radiant red metallic, and the interior consists of gray cloth. And the powertrain on this one is going to consist of a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine made it to a CVT, and that gets you 190 horsepower. So there are your headlamps there. And you also have your LED daytime running lights. And then down here, you have 17-inch aluminum wheels. And there you have the controls for your power door locks, windows, and mirrors. And there's your driver's seat there. Onto the rear seat. So really good leg room back here. I'm 6'3", and I'm surprised how nice it is in such a small SUV. And I really like how you have space in the middle as well. So if I slide over, I can even fit in the middle seat if I need to. No problem. And there are your cup holders in the middle seat. And I really like they kept that even in this LX package, which is kind of the bare bones for Honda. Did a really good job making sure a lot of those amenities are kept in there. And there's your back end there with your LED tail lamps. And really good trunk space. And it's pretty easy to get in and out of as well. Not a lot of ground to clear. And then if you ever need more space, you can just pull this up here, and then both of these seats will fold flat for even more cargo space. You can just lock it back into place. And there's your passenger seat there. Just look at that red glisten with the sun on it. Let's go ahead and pop the hood there. And there's a 1.5 liter turbocharged engine. We're gonna hop in the driver's seat. So even though it's not leather wrapped, really easy to grip and really nice steering wheel here. And then for your radio, you have AM, FM, and then you also have your Pandora, your Bluetooth, and your USB. And there's your backup camera there. And if you want to toggle the brightness, you can just hit this button here. Cut that on and off. But let me move the shifter out of the way. Because you do have single zone automatic climate controls, which is always nice to have, especially on a base model like this. And then your shifter, hit this button, reverse, neutral, drive, sport, and your low mode. Then you have your electronic parking brake, which you can pull up to engage, press down to disengage. course, your brake hold. You can toggle your auto stop, and then your econ mode there. And then you have a USB port here, little storage for your phone, a couple cup holders, and then additional storage down there, and then to the back as well. And then you can fold a tray up and down if you want to. And there's a view of the rear seat. There is your glove compartment. Pretty nice size in there. And over here, of course, you can go through your radio stations, or say your bands through here using the up and down arrow, and then left and right you can go through your favorites. And you can see that there on the screen. And of course your volume. And then you hit this little I button here. You can go through your gauge cluster functions. And then you have your Bluetooth controls right here. And then over here you have your cruise controls. Of course you have your adaptive cruise, your lane keeping assist system, and then you can toggle all those safety features on and off here. And then you have your key right there. But now it's time to go ahead and take the CR-V out on the road, see how it drives. So not bad pickup. And so far I really like the ride. That's what sticks out right out the jump. Just really nice ride height, really nice ride quality. Even though it's a cloth seat with no power. And I really like the brake pedal feel too. Let's put it in the sport mode now. Oh wow, that's nice. So pretty quick on his feet in sport mode. Even on this groove pavement, not really overly intrusive road noise like you'd expect. And even though the road is rough, pretty controllable. But honestly, this is gonna be for, where are those sirens coming from? Oh. So someone who's really needing a practical vehicle, whether that's for hauling a couple kids, hauling a lot of cargo, but also something that doesn't drive like a huge SUV or a truck, this is really a good option. And really good pep getting on the interstate. So let's put on the adaptive cruise, the lane keep. Then watch what it does as I get up on these cars. Immediately stops braking to keep that safe distance. And this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Honda CR-V LX.